Trains! You love them? I sure hope you do, because this is my train layout. Might as well bring up some, layouts to the merge channel. Oh yeah, you noticed that the old locomotive has finally reached a scrapyard. Oh well. Anyways, let's see this modified Hogwarts Express in action. Whoever put the fucking cottage cheese thing in the way is gonna get punched. Anyways, let's get... Hand of God. And it finally arrives at its destination. And look, we got a little town. There's a helicopter, a station over there, scrapyard, frickin' police department, 2 restaurants, the station, a water tower, a construction site, fire department, the Harry Potter boys in the car, and a water tower, interior on the station too. Now let's hope you guys enjoy this badass video.